Okay, here is number 5, which is a special case. Again, you don't have a coefficient of 1, so you want to kind of pick your poison here. I am going to choose to solve the second equation for x. Okay, so again, I haven't done any substitution yet. I'm going to add 5y to both sides. So I have 2x equals 5y plus 3. Then I have to divide everything by 2. I do get decimals for this one. You can leave them as fractions, but I know a lot of you like decimals better. So 5 divided by 2 is 2.5y, and 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So what are you going to do with this equation? Wherever you see an x in the other equation, you're going to put 2.5y plus 1.5. So here we go. Negative 4, parenthesis, I'm reading the first equation. Instead of writing x, I'm writing 2.5y plus 1.5. And then it says plus 10y equals 6. So now you might need your calculator to do what's negative 4 times 2.5. And that's negative 10y. And then you might need your calculator for negative 4 times 1.5. Again, what you're doing is you're distributing in. That's negative 6. And then we have a plus 10y equals 6. Okay, so we always clean up before we move. So negative 10y and a 10y, those cross out. Weird. So I get negative 6 equals 6. Where did the variable go? Well, it just canceled out. Did you do something wrong? No. We've seen things like this before when you're solving equations. So when the variable goes away and you're left with two numbers on either side with no variable, and they're not the same, so 6 is not the same as negative 6. Do you remember what this is called, like what the solution of this is? It's called no solution. And this happens when, again, you're solving the system and you get two different numbers on either side of the equal side. So you can either write no solution or do the circle with the line through it. If you were to graph this, think about what it means for no solution. It means that the lines are parallel and they would never cross.